Hello everyone, welcome again to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. Please remember to like, subscribe, share and do leave a comment. I would like to hear all your opinions and it do helps the channel. 8 American cruise ship passengers were taken into custody after they allegedly tried to leave Jamaica with 850,000 United States dollars worth of White Lady, which is approximately 130 million Jamaican dollars. Reports are that the 8 passengers disembarked the vessel which arrived in Ocho Rios from Miami, Florida on Wednesday. About 1:30 p.m., they were reboarding the vessel for departure, and anomalies were reportedly detected in their luggage. During a search conducted by the members of the Narcotics Division, a total of 24 packages containing White Lady weighing just over 17 kilograms, 38 pounds were found concealed in their bags. The passengers were arrested for breaches of the Dangerous Drugs Act. The police say their identities are being withheld pending further investigations. Investigations are ongoing. Jamaica now considered Molly and all other forms of drugs in circulation as a national threat, a threat to national security by the National Council on Drug Abuse, and the recent amended of mandatory sentence of up to life in prison for smuggling pending the situation of the crime. How will these foreigners be charged? This is a chance to exercise the new law against criminal smugglers to the country. Great way to send the message to those who are thinking to join the smuggling ring that exists in the country. These 8 passengers were working with an organization that line up the operation to pick up the drug once they've reached the shores of Jamaica. No ordinary tourist would just get caught with over 17 kilograms of White Lady. Without someone knowing the exact date and time when the vessel would dock in St. Anne to make the pickup. This is a big bust for the Narcotics Division under the new law that's in full effect. Authorities should use these foreigners to set an example about smuggling of any nature. That they will be found and brought to justice to face the full force of the new law without any leniency. None whatsoever. I must commend the Narcotics Division for the great job done to apprehend all 8 passengers from the vessel before reboarding. Jamaica is not a safe place for smuggling life in prison if caught. It will be a deterrence for criminals. Thanks for watching.